Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in today's video we will start reading with our next chapter from the book Beehive. So this is chapter number 4 and the name of the chapter is A Truly Beautiful Mind, right? So in this chapter we will read about Mr. Albert Einstein, okay? So you all have heard his name, Mr. Albert Einstein. He was a great scientist, okay? But apart from being a great scientist, he was a person who was full of humanity, okay? This is the reason that he is regarded as a person who is having a truly beautiful mind, okay? So we will know more about him. We will know about his childhood, about his early age, about the journey of being a scientist and many other qualities in this chapter, okay? So let's start. Before you read, so students, first of all, before starting reading the chapter, let's get some idea about the chapter, okay? Who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Okay, so first of all we are having this question कि जब कभी भी हम ये word सुनते हैं genius, okay, so genius word सुनते ही हमारे mind में सबसे पहले किसकी image आती है, सबसे पहले हमारे mind में कौन सी famous personality आती है genius word सुनते ही, okay? So now you all have the answer. The word genius is like a synonym of Albert Einstein, okay? So हम सब ने उनके बारे में इतना कुछ पढ़ा है, okay, कि जब भी हमें वर्ड जीनियस सुनते हैं तो सबसे पहले हमें लगता है ओके समवन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन, ओके? हु इज अ जीनियस? व्हाट क्वालिटीज डू यू थिंक अ जीनियस हैज? ओके, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज अ जीनियस, ओके, एंड व्हाट क्वालिटीज शुड बी देयर इन अ पर्सन दैट इज रिगार्डेड एज जीनियस, ओके? वी शैल नाउ रीड अबाउट अ यंग जर्मन सिविल सर्वेंट हु टुक द वर्ल्ड बाय स्टॉर्म अबाउट 100 years ago, okay? So in this chapter we will read about a young German civil servant, okay, and he was the personality who took the world by storm about 100 years ago, okay? In the summer of 1905, the 26 years old published in quick succession 4 groundbreaking papers, okay? So why this great personality? He was so famous, he was so popular because in the summer of 1905, okay, when this great personality was just 26 years old, so at that time he published in quick succession of 4 groundbreaking papers, okay? And those 4 papers were about, first of all, first paper was about light, second was about the motion of particles, third was about the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and the fourth paper was about the energy, okay? So इतने important subjects पे, right, इतने important topic पे he published 4 papers, okay? और इन सारे ही papers ने उनको इतनी great personality बना दिया था, world के सामने as a genius उनको present किया था, okay? His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals but changed forever our understanding of space, time and the entire cosmos, okay? So जो scientific journals हुआ करते थे, it means जो scientific magazine, scientific paper जो publish हुआ करते थे, so in all those journals जो Einstein का work था, okay, that work was having only a few pages in those journals, okay? But Einstein, he was able to change forever our understanding of space, time and the entire cosmos, okay, and transform the name Einstein into a synonym for genius, okay? And till this date this word Einstein, it is like a synonym for genius, okay? 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein's genius still reigns, okay? And Albert Einstein की death हुए भी almost 50 years हो चुके हैं, but अभी भी जो Einstein का जो genius था, okay, उनका जो intellectual brain था, okay, वो अभी भी it is still ruling the entire world, okay? So now let's start reading about this great personality, Mr. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm without any indication that he was destined for greatness, okay? So this great personality, Mr. Albert Einstein, he was born on 14 March in the year 1879 and where in the German city of Ulm, okay? So he was a German, he was born in a German city, that was Ulm, okay, without any indication that that he was destined for greatness, okay, and when he was born he was not having any indication. Indication means a sign, okay, so he was not having any sign of this thing that he was destined for greatness, okay. So destined means having a future that is planned, okay. So when he was born, okay, then no one was able to say that this young child will turn into a genius, okay, and the entire world will all the entire world will know him as a genius, okay. So he was born just like a normal child, okay. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak, okay. So he was not having any indications of greatness, but the writer is saying that on the contrary, the mother of Albert Einstein thought Albert was a freak. What is freak? Freak means a very unusual person, okay. So he was not having any signs of greatness, but on the contrary, according to his mother, he was a freak. He was very unusual person. उनको लगता था उनकी मदर को कि जो अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन है वो बाकी बच्चों जैसे नहीं है, और बाकी बच्चों से स्लो है, बाकी बच्चों से बैकवर्ड है, राइट. टू हर हिज हेड seemed much too large, okay. And why for Albert Einstein's mother he was a freak? Because according to her, his head seemed much too large, okay. At the age of 2.5, Einstein still wasn't talking, okay, and when he was 2.5, but at that time, at that age, he was unable to speak. He was not talking at all, okay. So almost 2.5 year के वो हो गए थे, but still he was not talking, okay. So obviously जो उनके parents थे, they were much worried, okay. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice, okay, and when finally he started to speak, when he started to talk, okay, then he used to utter everything twice, okay. Utter means to speak, okay. So when he was 2.5, at that time he was unable to talk, he was unable to speak, but when finally he started speaking, then he used to speak everything twice. It means 2 times, okay. So he used to repeat everything, right. Einstein did not know what to do with other children and his playmates called him brother boring, okay. और इनका जो childhood था, उनका जो बचपन था उस समय ये कैसे थे. So when he was a young boy, when he was a child, okay, so at that time he did not know what to do with other children, okay. So what it means that when he was having some company, when he was having some other kids, okay, so उनको समझ नहीं आता था कि बाकी बच्चों के साथ वो किस तरह से react करें, किस तरह से इंटरेक्ट करें, ओके. सो वो किसी तरह का इंटरेक्शन नहीं कर पाते थे बाकी बच्चों के साथ, एंड दिस वाज द रीजन दैट ऑल हिज प्लेमेट्स, ओके, दे यूज्ड टू कॉल हिम ब्रदर बोरिंग, ओके. सो आइंस्टाइन बाकी बच्चों के साथ बिल्कुल इंटरेक्ट नहीं करते थे, ना उनसे बातें करते थे, ना उनके साथ खेला करते थे. दिस वाज द रीजन दैट ऑल द प्लेमेट्स, ओके, वो आइंस्टाइन को कहा करते थे दैट ही इज अ ब्रदर बोरिंग, ओके. So the youngster played by himself much of the time, okay. So Einstein बाकी बच्चों के साथ नहीं खेला करते थे, इसलिए बाकी बच्चे भी उन्हें बोरिंग कहा करते थे. So this was the reason that this young boy, this young child, he always used to play by himself much of the time, okay. So दूसरों के साथ इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पाते थे, so वो अकेले ही खेला करते थे. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वो अपने आप अकेले ही खेलते थे, ओके. ही स्पेशली लव्ड मैकेनिकल टॉयज, ओके, और स्पेशली उनको क्या चीज़ें पसंद थी. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग ही वॉज हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ लाइकनेस फॉर मैकेनिकल टॉयज, ओके. लुकिंग एट हिज न्यू बॉर्न सिस्टर माजा, ही सेड टू हैव सेड फाइन बट वेयर आर हर व्हील्स, ओके. सो ही वॉज सो फॉन्ड ऑफ मैकेनिकल टॉयज दैट he was having a lot of mechanical toys with him, okay, and all the time, every time he used to play with all those mechanical toys. This was the reason that when he was having his newborn sister, okay, and the name of Einstein's sister is Maza, okay. So जब उन्होंने अपनी young sister को for the first time देखा, so उनका क्या reaction था, उन्होंने उसको देखते ही first sentence क्या बोला, he said फाइन बट वेयर आर हर व्हील्स, ओके. सो उन्होंने कहा ओके ठीक है, आई हैव अ यंग बेबी सिस्टर बट टेल मी वेयर आर हर व्हील्स, ओके. व्हाट इट मीन्स दैट जब वो सारे मैकेनिकल टॉयज से खेला करती थी, ओके, मैकेनिकल टॉयज़ मीन्स वो सारे टॉय जो किसी ना किसी बैटरी से चलते हैं, सेल से चला करते थे, राइट। इसमें कार थी, व्हीकल्स हुआ करते थे, अलग अलग तरह के ट्रक हुआ करते थे, तो उन सभी में व्हील्स होते थे, ओके। सो जब उन्होंने अपनी सिस्टर को देखा, बेबी सिस्टर को देखा, सो ही वॉज हैविंग दिस क्वेश्चन दैट वेयर आर हर व्हील्स, ओके। So now let's read about Einstein. So once there was a very great personality. The name of this personality is Otto Neugebauer, and he was the historian of ancient mathematics, okay. So once he told a story about the boy Einstein that he characterizes as a legend, okay. So there is a great personality that is Mr. Otto Neugebauer, okay. And who is he? He is the historian of ancient mathematics, okay. So once he told a story about Einstein when Einstein was a young child, when he was a boy, okay. And what was the story that seems very authentic, okay. So what is the story? As he was a late talker, his parents were worried, okay. So we have read in the chapter also that जब वो 2.5 year के हो गए थे, so तब तक भी he was unable to speak, okay. So obviously his parents, they were quite worried about him. At last, at the supper table one night, he broke his silence to say the soup is too hot, okay. So जो आइंस्टाइन थे वो बिल्कुल बोलते नहीं थे, किसी से भी बात नहीं कर पा रहे थे जब वो 2.5 year के हो गए थे. But suddenly one night when everyone was on the dining table and they were having the supper is the evening meal, okay. So when everyone was on the dining table and they were enjoying the supper, the meal, okay, then suddenly Einstein, he broke his silence, okay, and he said, okay, so the first sentence that Einstein said was the soup is too hot, okay. So he was having soup and he said that the soup is too hot. Greatly relieved, his parents asked why he had never said a word before, okay. और जब उनके पेरेंट्स ने सुना that Einstein is speaking, okay, और वो भी वो complete sentence बोल रहे हैं, so obviously जो पेरेंट्स थे वो काफ़ी shocked थे, okay. और जो पेरेंट्स थे वो काफ़ी relieved भी थे क्योंकि फाइनली जो आइंस्टाइन है वो बोल रहे थे, राइट. सो उनके पेरेंट्स ने पूछा that why he had never said a word before, okay. सो उन्होंने complete sentence बोला है, इट मीन्स उनको बोलना तो आता था, राइट, पर बोलते नहीं थे. सो जो ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन था पेरेंट्स के मन में कि इससे पहले उन्होंने कभी भी एक सिंगल वर्ड भी क्यों नहीं बोला. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट वाज द रिप्लाई, व्हाट वाज द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ आइंस्टाइन. अल्बर्ट रिप्लाइड because up now everything was in order, okay. So what was the reply of Mr. Albert Einstein? He said that उन्होंने आज तक इससे पहले कुछ इसलिए नहीं बोला था because up to now everything was in order, okay. So उन्होंने कहा कि सब कुछ जो था वो बिल्कुल सिस्टमेटिकली चल रहा था, सब कुछ इन ऑर्डर में था, इसीलिए उनको बोलने की कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, ओके. बट उस दिन जो सूप था वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही हॉट था, इसलिए, राइट. सो इसीलिए उनको बोलना पड़ा दैट द सूप इज़ टू hot, okay. So this was the rebuttal of Mr. Albert Einstein, right. Let's continue the chapter. A headmaster once told his father that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter because he will never make a success at anything, okay. So when Albert Einstein, when he started his schooling, okay, then once उनके जो headmaster थे स्कूल में, once the headmaster told Einstein's father, right. तो उन्होंने क्या बताया Einstein के father को about Einstein. He said that what Einstein chose as a profession wouldn't matter, right. उन्होंने कहा कि बड़े होके आइंस्टाइन एज अ प्रोफेशन, एज अ करियर, राइट, जिस फील्ड में भी जाएंगे इट डजेंट मैटर. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही विल नेवर मेक अ सक्सेस एट एनीथिंग. बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू द हेड मास्टर, आइंस्टाइन चाहे किसी भी फील्ड में जाए, किसी भी सब्जेक्ट को अडॉप्ट करे, बट ही विल नेवर एवर बी एबल टू बी अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन, राइट. सो दिस वॉज द ओपिनियन ऑफ द हेड मास्टर अबाउट आइंस्टाइन. आइंस्टाइन बिगेन लर्निंग टू प्ले द वायलिन एट द एज of 6 because his mother wanted him to, okay. So now the writer is saying that when Einstein, he was at the age of 6, okay. So at that time he started to learn how to play violin, okay. So we all know about violin, it is a musical instrument. So when Einstein, he was at the age of 6, so at that time he started to learn how to play this instrument, that is violin, okay. And why? Because his mother wanted him to, okay. So Einstein की जो mother थी वो चाहती थी कि Einstein को वायलिन बजाना आना चाहिए, he should learn how to play violin. So Einstein he started learning, right? He later became a gifted amateur violinist, maintaining this skill throughout his life. Okay, now later on in his life he became a gifted amateur violinist. Okay, so what is amateur? Amateur means to do something for enjoyment, not for money, right? So ऐसा काम जो हम एज अ करियर एज अ जॉब नहीं करते, ओनली एज अ enjoyment, only as a hobby करते हैं. Okay, so later on in his life he became a very gifted violinist. Okay, but he was amateur. Okay, ये उनका करियर नहीं था, उन्होंने इसको अपना एज अ करियर अडॉप्ट नहीं किया था, बट अपनी हॉबी के लिए, इंजॉयमेंट के लिए वो वायलिन बजाया करते थे. ओके, मेंटेनिंग दिस स्किल थ्रू आउट हिज लाइफ. ओके, एंड थ्रू आउट हिज लाइफ he was having this skill, he was having this art that how to play violin. Okay, बट अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन वॉज नॉट अ बैड पुपिल. ओके, सो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उनका पढ़ाई में, उनका स्टडी में बिल्कुल भी इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. इनफैक्ट ही वॉज नॉट एट ऑल अ बैड पुपिल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज पुपिल? पुपिल मीन्स स्टूडेंट. ओके, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट ही वॉज अ बैड स्टूडेंट. ओके, ही वेंट टू हाई स्कूल इन म्यूनिक वेयर आइंस्टाइन्स फैमिली हैड मूव्ड व्हेन ही वॉज 15 months old and scored good marks in almost every subject. Okay, so अपने school time में भी he was not a bad student, and he started his high school where in Munich. Okay, where Einstein's family had moved when he was 15 months old. Okay, so we have read earlier in the chapter that he was born in Ulm. Okay, but his family, they shifted to this place, that is Munich. Okay, when he was just 15 months old. Okay, so he started his high school in this place, that is Munich. Okay, and he scored good marks in almost every subject. Okay, Einstein hated the school's regimentation and often clashed with his teachers. Okay, so he was having good marks, but the thing was that Einstein he hated the school's regimentation. So what is regimentation? Regimentation means discipline taken to an extreme. Okay, so उनका जो हाई स्कूल था म्यूनिक में, वहाँ पे जो डिसिप्लिन था, ओके, वो बहुत ज़्यादा था, जो टीचर्स थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट थे. ओके, और ये बात आइंस्टाइन को पसंद नहीं आती थी, एंड दिस वाज द रीज़न दैट ऑफन ही क्लैश्ड विथ हिज टीचर्स, राइट. सो उनके बहुत बार आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो जाया करते थे, बहुत बार उनके डिस्प्यूट हो जाते थे टीचर्स के साथ, बिकॉज जो स्कूल में डिसिप्लिन था, उतना स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन था, वो आइंस्टाइन को बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं था. ओके, सो कई बार उनके टीचर्स के साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हो जाया करते थे. एट द एज ऑफ 15 आइंस्टाइन फेल्ट सो स्टाइफल्ड देयर दैट ही लेफ्ट द स्कूल फॉर गुड. ओके, सो आइंस्टाइन he hated the extreme discipline that was there in the school, and when he was 15 years old. Okay, so at that time he felt so stifled there. Okay, so what is stifled? Stifled means suffocated. Okay, so वो जो स्कूल का environment था, okay, that strict discipline that was there in the school, so Einstein he felt so suffocated, he felt so stifled in that atmosphere that finally he left the school for good. Okay, so for good means forever. Okay, so he left that school. Okay, the previous year Albert's parents had moved to Milan and left their son with relatives. Okay, अब now जो अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन के पेरेंट्स थे, okay, so the previous year only his parents they moved to Milan. Okay, so उनके जो पेरेंट्स थे अब वो म्यूनिक से मिलान शिफ्ट हो गए थे, और आइंस्टाइन को उन्होंने अपने कुछ रिलेटिव्स के यहाँ पर रख दिया था टू कंटिन्यू हिज स्कूल दैट वाज देयर इन म्यूनिक. ओके, बट अब जब आइंस्टाइन ने स्कूल ही छोड़ दिया था, ओके, आफ्टर 1 year of that thing. After prolonged discussion, Einstein got his wish to continue his education in German-speaking Switzerland in a city which was more liberal than Munich. Okay, so when he left his school, when he left his high school that was there in Munich, so obviously जो parents थे, right, वो बिल्कुल इस बात से happy नहीं थे, because वो चाहते थे कि आइंस्टाइन जो है वो अपनी education complete करे. Okay, so now they all were having a prolonged discussion. Okay, so what is prolonged? Prolonged means continuing for a very long time. Okay, so they were having a discussion, a detailed discussion, okay, about each and everything, and finally Einstein he got his wish to continue his education in German speaking Switzerland. Okay, so Einstein he was having this wish कि वो म्यूनिक में जो स्कूल है उसमें अपनी एजुकेशन कंटिन्यू नहीं करना चाहते थे, बट ही वांटेड टू कंटिन्यू हिज एजुकेशन इन जर्मन स्पीकिंग स्विट्जरलैंड. ओके, व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज अ सिटी city that was more liberal than Munich. Okay, so what is liberal? Liberal means tolerant. Okay, यानी कि वहाँ का जो environment था, वहाँ का जो discipline था, okay, वो इतना strict नहीं था जितना कि म्यूनिक में था. okay, वो काफ़ी लिबरल कंट्री है, लिबरल सिटी है, और वहाँ पे सभी लोगों के आइडियाज़ को रेस्पेक्ट किया जाता है, सभी लोगों की विशेष को रेस्पेक्ट किया जाता है. ओके, सो आइंस्टाइन ही वांटेड टू कंटिन्यू हिज एजुकेशन इन दिस सिटी दैट इज स्विट्जरलैंड. ओके, और फाइनली उनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं वो उनकी इस विश को मान लेते हैं, एंड आइंस्टाइन ही गॉट हिज चांस टू कंटिन्यू हिज एजुकेशन इन दिस सिटी दैट इज स्विट्जरलैंड. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, we will know more about this great personality when we will continue the chapter. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.